standard brush features a round tip with a soft fall off. This brush is good for sculpting cloth folds and organic sculpting. For smoother strokes, open your brush menu and lower your lazy step. When done, adjust your Z intensity for your preferred stroke value. Adding an alpha will repeat patterns along your stroke. Hold the Shift key to create straight lines. Make a quick stamp brush by adding an alpha and change your stroke to drag stamp. This brush is handy when you need to add a rounded edge or tubing.